fairly easily. Now, what I can see here on this one, there's a lot of color blocking that is going to happen with this one. And as I suspected too, there's a lot of purple in this one too. All of this down here is purple. I love this. Oh, this is great. This is absolutely fantastic. Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an unboxing video of Disney's Cinderella. I went on a little bit of a spree in 2025 when it came to Disney. I'm really glad that Diamond Art Club has a licensing deal with Disney and being able to do these, because all of the ones that I have purchased so far are very near and dear to my heart, and it has a lot to do with my childhood, and I really love all of the paintings that they have put out there for Disney. I'm just having to make sure that I pick and choose kind of which ones that I want to do from each movie. I'm taking a look at everything that they have, and there are so many more that I want to get, and then there are others that they haven't done yet, so I'm really curious to see what's going to happen in 2026 and what we might be able to purchase then. I still want to see something maybe from Anastasia, from Mulan. Maybe they've already done them and they're discontinued. I don't know, but there are some others that I would really like to see. But for now, let's take a look at Disney Cinderella and what we've got going on with this one. Now, this one was released during the 2025 Black Friday event. I'm really happy I was able to snag one of these. It is a gorgeous painting of the Prince and Cinderella here at the end, and then you've got the mice down here at the bottom. Looking at the painting, it is 27.6 inches by 33.9 inches, or 69.9 centimeters by 85.6 centimeters. This has 66 colors in it, including 1 AB and 3 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 96,664 diamonds. So even though there aren't a lot of colors in this one, and it looks like there might be a lot of color blocking in it, I'm still going to have a lot of fun with this. Let's take a look at the canvas. All right, friends, and here we have Disney's Cinderella. Let's go ahead and get the box opened up and take a look at the drills in the canvas. All right, so here we have everything that comes in your box. You've got your toolkit, which has an applicator pen with a multi-placer and single tip placer with a little bit of wax built into it. In your toolkit, you also have a tray that you can put your drills in. You've got some little baggies that are in here, and then there's a couple waxes in here as well for you to be able to use. The other thing that you also get is your little thank you for your purchase envelope, and in this envelope you will find your treasure quest card that comes with a lot of these paintings. So here we have a beautiful, beautiful treasure quest card, and on the back here you'll see this is a bronze card. We have a scratch code off here, and then there's a QR code to go to the website. Once you build up enough bronze, gold, and silver cards, you will be able to redeem those for a gift card, or you can have some black cards, which are some of the rare cards as well, and then you can trade those in for some gift cards too. I believe that you save up enough of these, you can also get a custom kit as well from Diamond Art Club. In the envelope too, you also have your sticker sheet. So on the front here, we have Disney's Cinderella. On the back, we have our start date, end date that we can add in here, a sticker picture, and then on the bottom here, a little bit more information about the canvas itself. When we open it up, we have all of our colors here that we have for this painting. Now, with this being one of the newer ones, this does start over here with the DMC colors at 153 and works its way down. Now, the DMC colors are a universal color palette that is used with a lot of different crafting. I am really glad that they use the DMC colors because it's what I'm used to when I cross stitch. Now, the other numbers that are over here, though, so the 6000s are ones that they design themselves and do have their own palette for, because that is ones that they want to make sure that they have the right colors for the right pictures, or in the right picture. And then we also have our specialty drills that are listed down here. So we have our AB that's down here, and then our Z drills are going to be our fairy dust drills. So that's a 1 AB and then 3 fairy dusts. So this is a very interesting palette. There's a very There's a very big theme of purple that goes along with this one by the looks of it. And if you know me already and you've been following the channel for a little bit, purple is my favorite color. So I'm going to be real curious to kind of see what the drills look like with this and what the canvas looks like too. Let's go ahead and get into the canvas here. All right, so those of you who've been following the channel for a while, you know I don't have a whole lot of space here. But I will say that it looks like the canvas got a little crinkled up here, but that's all right. We'll be okay. It'll flatten out itself here fairly easily. Now, what I can see here on this one, there's a lot of color blocking that is going to happen with this one. And as I suspected too, there's a lot of purple in this one too. All of this down here is purple. I love this. Oh, this is great. This is absolutely fantastic. When we look for our AB, though, it is going to be that circle with the cross through it, and all of that is right through here in his pant leg. Not all of it, but on the side here of his pant leg is where that's going to be. And then looking for some of our fairy dust diamonds. Let's see. I'm not seeing a whole lot here. Well, it looks like we've got some fairy dust that's going to be over here. A little bit that's going to be over here. Oh, and we do have some ABs that are going to be down here in Gus's shirt. He's the one that I can remember his name. I don't remember the name of the other mice, but I remember Gus. Gus. Brings back a lot of memories. But we have all of this down here. There's a lot of color blocking. We have a lot of color blocking that goes all the way up through her dress, which is actually going to go very, very quickly. Now, if you are new to DAC, you'll see that we have these little gray dotted lines that are right here. So these are actually perforated lines. That's perforated plastic that is already on here. And that's typically what I go with. So this little area right here is one little square. And we really only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8 colors that are actually in that block. So that will actually make that block go very, very quickly, especially when you're working with a multiplacer. So I'm going to be curious to see what else we have when it comes to our fairy dust diamonds. Just not seeing a whole lot that's at least down here. Now, before I get into doing this one itself, I'm going to want to work through some of my other diamond paintings. And the reason for that is because I feel like I might be able to, well, I feel like I want to enhance this one a little bit. I feel like some of these, I'm just not seeing where the fairy dust goes a whole lot of. Okay, so H is fairy dust. So all of that here and ABs. Okay, so all of that. All up through here. Looks like in her face up here, we have a lot of fairy dust and ABs up through here, which is really good. Okay, we have a fairy dust is happening up through here with these guys' hats. Okay, even the white in their hats, all of that is fairy dust as well. Okay, so that'll actually look really nice. That'll be really, really nice to be able to have that in there. And then I'll have to move this down just a little bit further so we can look into the top part of this. Okay, so that's where our that's where the black is. That is going to be daunting. That is all 310. All of that's 310. Yeah, it's okay. It'll be fine. We'll go a little cross-eyed, but we'll be fine. But looks like we have a bunch of fairy dust in here. So I'm actually going to be curious to see what the fairy dust bags look like, because it does appear to be a decent amount of fairy dust that is in this entire canvas itself. I just love this, though. It's absolutely beautiful. The castle in the background. You've got the prince and the princess. Well, the prince and Cinderella. Very, very nice. All these guys lined up here. Tile, like I said, there's a lot of color blocking. Like all of this white that's in here, all of that, all of this, it's all the same color. All of it is. And that is that 3865? Yes, it is. So DAC, from my the little bit that I've done already, and with all of the unboxings that I've done, the colors are pretty much the same with some of the symbols. The white with the circle dot is 3865. The black with the circle dot is the 310s. So you have a lot of the same symbols for a lot of the same colors, which isn't a bad thing. It actually helps memory a little bit, and it helps you get things done a little bit faster, in my opinion. But like color blocking all the way through here. So lots of big spots of the same color. So this should make this go by pretty fast, actually. I feel like a lot of the Disney ones are like that, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the drills. All right, so just looking at the color palette here, like I said, we knew there was going to be a lot of purple, but oh my goodness, there are so many different shades of purple in here. This is fantastic. Look at that. Okay, so you know how I pointed out at the very top that there was a lot of 310? Well, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 310. It's not that I hate black, it's just that your eyes go cross-eyed when you're doing it. I'm just saying. So there's 4 bags of 310. We have 158. 334, very nice. So 2 bags of that. 336, 1 bag of that. 798, looks like we have 2 bags. 798. Okay, 3865. This is that white that we saw. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 3865. That is a lot of white. 3838. 1, 2 of those. 3756, which is actually a very pretty light blue. I like that actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of that. You can kind of see how we have a lot of the same colors. There are a lot of the same color in this one. Moving on to the next set, 2 794s, 2 939s, 2 157s. Okay, so here's that. Okay, that's a lot of fairy dust. So Z3865. There's a lot of fairy dust, but look at that though. Look at how shimmery that is. It's actually really nice. I like the 3865 in this fairy dust. I really do. It's really nice. There's 498, 155, a very pretty purple. 826, we have 2 bags of that. 153, a very light shade of purple. It's like a pinkish purple, but very pretty. 210, which looks like it has an 803 that got mixed into it. That happens. 803, 823, 209, 554, and then 208 and 553. So we have a lot of purple, a lot of different shades of purple in here. Does look very similar, but one is just a slight shade different than the other. Interesting. All right, so 3840, I've got 2 of those. I have a 775, which I'm really liking that. Oh, 2 775s, I'm sorry. And then a 340. I was not expecting this long of a train on this one. Now, if you're wondering why these aren't in numerical order, it's because they do them by weight instead of by numerical order. And that's why everything is kind of all mixed up. So 3770, 6014, that's one of those specific DMC color, or specific DAC colors. 815. Okay, there's Z321. Ooh, that is a pretty red. That is going to look really nice. Okay, so we were talking how that was going to be in the hats of the soldiers. That is going to stand out very, very well. There's a, okay, 6010. That is a pretty pink. It's like a baby pink. Very nice. 814. 312. Okay, here's our AB, AB972. So that'll go in the prince, his pants, his face, his crown, her crown. It'll go into Gus and the mice clothing. 221, 741, 3042, 3857. Okay, 6002. There's another DAC color. I like that. 796, 720, 3777, 3722, 355, 301, and there's our other fairy dust, Z743. Very nice. Ooh, that is a really nice yellow fairy dust. I like that. There's something about yellow that is actually making me really happy with these diamond art paintings. They just stand out really, really well for some reason. Okay, and then the last bit that we have for the colors, we have 444, 356, 3721, 224, 3778, 961, 3826, 333, 758, 745, some very light colors here. 818, 761, 3837, a very nice purple. 3852, 3064, 352, 3354, 469. Ooh, 550. I love a 550. And then last but not least, 3348. Very, very interesting. So I am really, really curious to see what you guys think about all of these white fairy dust diamonds. Let me know in the comments below. That is a lot. All right, and there you have it. Like I said, there's a lot of color blocking in that one that's going to have to be done, but that's okay. It will actually make it go pretty quick. So I'm going to be curious to see how long it takes us to do this one. Now, if you have done this one, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. Let me know that you've done it and how long did it take you to do. Also, when it comes to doing diamond art, do you have a logbook? Is there a way that you continuously look to see what you've done in the past and what you are looking forward to doing in the future? Let me know down below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you are enjoying the unboxing. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell to get notified on when we upload videos. I'm going to try and upload videos here as often as I can, even with all the life stuff that I've got going on. That is all we have for today on this one. So until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.